With the help of a let keyword in the JavaScript, we will be able to reassign a value to a same variable. We will not be able to create a same variable multiple times, and let follows a block scope. It does not get hoisted. So let's just get started with an example what it means. So let's create a variable a1 is equals to welcome all. So, and so before I do a console log, let's just see let A1. So now you see the moment I gave the A1, it threw me an error saying that you cannot redeclare the block scope variable of A1 because in the JavaScript we won't be able to redeclare the same variable multiple times with the help of a let keyword. So let is also introduced in the ES6 is also introduced in the ES6 feature. So we won't be able to declare the same variable multiple times. Now let me just give the A1 equals to something else. Let's say 1000. So now you see with the help of let we are able to reassign a value to a variable, but we are not able to redeclare the same variable multiple times. So let follow so with the help of the let, we can only reassign a value to a same variable. We cannot redeclare the same variable multiple times. So now if I console log, what do you think we will be getting an output? Let me just save this one uh, and let's run the code. Node.test.js. So you see, we get 1000. The whichever the value it is holding, the latest one is the value is what it will be returning to us. There is one more point which I want to cover. It does not get hoisted. What does it mean? Hoisting in the JavaScript, it is a separate topic where a variable declaration and the function where the variables and the function declaration it get hoisted before it even runs the program. What does it mean? For example, let me console log this over here before I even redeclare the variable, and let's see what is the output we are going to get, and let's run the code. Node.test.js. You see we get an error saying cannot access A1 before initialization. So variable